Removal. On the side of the case opposite to the USB-C ports, use a flat-bladed tool to carefully loosen the corner of the case. Gently push the corner of the case off of the mobile system. Push the rest of the case off of the mobile system. Remove the mobile system from the case. Replacement. Position the HP Engage Go mobile system so that the USB-C ports on the mobile system align with the USB-C slot in the HP Engage Go mobile case. Carefully push the mobile system into the case so that the USB-C slot fits over the USB-C ports on the mobile system. Push the opposite end of the mobile system down into the case. Wrap the sides of the case around the mobile system.